Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting parts and mounting them on the chassis so wiring stays tidy. First, secure both DC motors and connect each motor to the L298N outputs. This isolates power handling. Once done, connect the L298N VCC to the 912V battery and tie all grounds together with the Arduino ground to avoid reference errors. Then run jumper wires from L298N input pins to Arduino digital pins 5, 6, 7, 8 so you can control direction and speed later. Next, prepare the Arduino sketch and upload it. Open the IDE, assign the motor pins and implement PWM for speed control. Include simple forward, reverse, left, right routines. Once compiled, wire HC05, 5V and GND, TX of module to Arduino RX, and RX to Arduino TX through a voltage divider to protect the module. After uploading, pair your phone to HC05 with PIN 1234 and connect a controller app at 9600 baud so commands flow from the app to the Arduino. Finally, tidy and secure everything to prevent disconnects while driving. Fasten wires with zip ties, insulate exposed joints, and mount the HC05 away from the motors to reduce electrical noise. Make sure the battery is firmly held and that power leads are thick enough for current draw. Once assembled, run a calibration test for steering and speed limits to ensure safe operation. If you see jitter or false triggers, the key troubleshooting tip is to confirm a single common ground and add decoupling capacitors across motor terminals to suppress interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.